So remembering that we're looking at the different planes in the kitchen, on this side of the kitchen, this wall is a wonderful space to utilize. And so I wanted to get some kind of storage over here to use this space. And decided that shelves would probably be the best way to go so I could still keep the counter space. And decided on this unit because of the color to match the wall. And although I could have easily decided on another color, red would have been nice, for instance. But and because it had several shelves, and I liked that it had these sides to it so that I could put spices or things that maybe I didn't, just to give it a little bit more security over here.